Franklin Templeton, the fund house. We have seen how the fund house closed its 6 debt schemes, which was carrying an asset of the order 25,000 crore, wherein 3 lakh investors have invested, and in that mutual fund they were unit holders. How that fund got closed last year, and how we have seen, however, the reasoning given by the firm was illiquidity because of the pandemic. However, it was observed later on with SEBI investigation on how the firm has violated numerous red flags or regulatory orders, circulars issued by different regulators, mutual fund regulation. Now, overall, it was something like the investments being done, that asset under management, the investments being done, the decisions were quite misuse in a way that there were investments in low risk, they were low rated bonds, lower than AA rated bonds. So those investments were there, and which is not prudent and allowed in a way for these investments as per circulars. Apart from that, there were other things also. Insider trading was also something, an allegation. So overall, SEBI came up with an order, and recently last week, and they have fined the firm, the fund house, with 5 crore rupees and asked them to return the management fee collected over the 22-month period from 2018 to 2020, which is amounting to more than 450 crore. So those are to be returned, and additionally, they have SEBI has debarred the fund house from engaging in further debt mutual funds in the coming 2 years. So overall, the learning here, what we can have is that regulation is required, because firms like of such high credibility, what we understood, such high good track record, debt schemes, and firm like Franklin Templeton, they have misused and exploited the trust entrusted on them by the investors. In a way, they have put the money in a more risky venture, risky bonds. So that needs to be well regulated, and more checks are to be there, more adherence needs to be, more compliance needs to be ensured by the regulatory agencies, and that way we can deepen this funding market, this debt bond market, along with equity market. So these markets will deepen in India, and we need to have strong regulation and make sure such incidents do not happen. Thank you.